I think for me, I remember some of the kind of more glamorous things that we got to do. So when we would do TV commercials, for instance, that was really fun. One time we did excuse me, a shoot for a website, actually. It was a full-up production for this very interactive website. It was all video, and we did it on a set in New York. And so we got to work with actors. We had live animals there. It was a very interesting concept, but this website was 30 minutes of video that we shot, which was really hard to do. And we did it on a bit of a budget. So we had live animals, we had actors, a lot of crazy things going on. We had ducks walking around and chickens, but it was just so exciting and fun because we were shooting, there's these cameras, I was taking care of the clients, it's fun. You find yourself in these situations that you start saying, how did I get here? Why am I in this situation? And that's really cool because you come up with these crazy ideas for a commercial, and then when you see them executed, that's amazing.